In this video I will show you how to create this stunning liquid glass effect inside DaVinci Resolve. First, add a fusion composition in the timeline. Right click on it and choose Open in Fusion page. Now add the background node and connect it to the media out. Change the color from black to white. Next, insert a merge node, a text node and another background node. Then connect all together. Select the text node and type the word or phrase you want to use. Increase the size of the text and pick a font you like. Next, slightly reduce the line spacing. Go to the background and switch the type from solid to gradient. Replace the black color with a light orange. Click in the middle and add a new color and set to light purple. Finally, change the last color to a light blue. Now let's move on the fun part, creating the liquid glass effect. Add a second merge node. Press Shift Spacebar and search for displace. Connect the displace to the second merge. Then connect the first merge to the yellow input of the displace. Add a rectangular mask and connect to the green input of the displace and the blue input of the second merge. Set the mask corner radius to maximum for rounded edges. Now go to displace node and change these values. Offset -1, refraction strength -4, light power 10, light angle 270, and spread 3. Then press Shift Spacebar, search for zoom blur and place it under the displace, and lower the zoom amount to 0.22. Move the nodes to give yourself more space. Add a merge node, a background node and a bitmap. Connect the rectangular mask to the yellow input of the bitmap. Select the background and set the alpha to 0.4. Go to the bitmap and set these values. Soft edge 0.2 and center Y to 0.43. Copy the bitmap with Ctrl-C and paste with Ctrl-V. And connect the first bitmap to the yellow input of the second one. Change the values from the second bitmap to soft edge 0.07, paint mode to subtract, center Y to 0.65 and channel low 0.57. Move the nodes to have more space. Add a merge node, a background node and a bitmap. Connect the rectangular mask to the yellow input of the bitmap. Select the background and change the color to white. Go to the merge and lower the blend to 0.45. Copy and paste the bitmap and connect the first bitmap to the yellow input of the second one. Change the second bitmap values to paint mode, subtract and center Y to 0.42. Now let's create another glass effect. Add an ellipse mask and connect to the rectangular mask. Right click on the diamond next to the height and choose expression. Hold and drag the plus symbol over to width. Select the rectangular mask. Enable an expression on the ellipse width and drag it over to the rectangular height. Then type divided 1.8 next to it. Adjust the X position of both the rectangular and ellipse masks. Add an erode node, connect to the yellow input, switch the shape from box to circle and lower amount to -0.04. Now let's create the animation by adding keyframes to the X and Y position of both the ellipse and rectangular masks. Move forward a few frames and adjust the position as you like to separate the two shapes. To make the movement feel more natural, open the spline panel and select both masks. Select all keyframes with Ctrl-A and press S to smooth the animation. Finally, select the last keyframe, press T and increase the ease in as you prefer. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you would like me to dive deeper into the style of other creators.